Welcome to JobSet India. Today we bring you the latest recruitment update from West Central Railway. A massive 2,865 posts are open for 2025. The best part, no exam and no experience required. Stay tuned for full details like eligibility, job locations, age limit, salary, and how to apply. Let's get into the full details. This recruitment is conducted by West Central Railway, one of the important zones of Indian Railways. Selected candidates will be posted across different divisions, Jabalpur, Bhopal and Kota, along with workshops in Bhopal, Kota and New Katni Junction in Rajasthan and Madhya Pradesh. Candidates from any state in India are eligible to apply. A total of 2,865 vacancies have been announced. The post name is Apprentice in multiple trades. To apply, candidates must have passed class 10th with at least 50% marks and should also hold an ITI certificate in the relevant trade. Stipend and training benefits will be provided as per West Central Railway norms. Applicants should be between 15 to 24 years of age. Age relaxation is available 3 years for OBC, 5 years for SC or ST, and up to 10 to 15 years for PWBD candidates. The vacancies are divided division-wise. Trade-wise vacancies. Selection will be done purely on merit based on marks obtained in 10th and ITI. Shortlisted candidates will be go through document verification and a medical test. The fee is 141 rupees for general OBC and EWS male candidates, and for SC, ST, PWBD and female candidates the fee is only 41 rupees. Payment mode is online. Official website link. Notification link. Apply link in the video description. The online application process starts from 30th August 2025 and the last date to apply is 29 September 2025. To apply, visit the official website of West Central Railway. On the home page, click on About Us, then go to Recruitment and choose Railway Recruitment cell. Next, click on Engagement of Act Apprentice for 2025-26. From 30th August 2025, the apply link will be active. Here you need to complete registration, fill in your personal and educational details, upload documents like photo, signature, 10th mark sheet and ITI certificate. Finally, pay the application fee. Submit the form and don't forget to download a copy of your application for future reference.
Need help applying? We offer application services. Just DM your required documents to our Instagram mentioned in the description. Send your documents along with the application fee and a small service charge. Our team will assist you with the full process.
This is a golden opportunity for all 10th pass plus ITA holders to join Indian Railways as apprentice. For more job updates, subscribe to Jobs in India and press the bell icon for instant notifications. Thank you for watching.